Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here's Abdul and today is another unboxing. As you all know, I was in the search of the perfect citizen, ProMaster, sorry, not ProMaster, the Eco Drive movement, because I didn't have one in my collection, and I managed to get one for a very good price online. And I'm just now comparing it to what's on the market under the 150 euros. By the way, I'm just using this one, I'm wearing it at home. Um, I can't find a paratrooper bracelet, a NATO strap that has a black PVD that matches this one. But anyways, I would wear it then with a leather or something with the citizen bucket. Anyways, digressing. So I thought I'd look at the competitors on Amazon, and because Amazon has this Amazon try before you buy, I could get it and I can send it back for free. So I don't have to do it. Anybody can do that. Anyways, not affiliated anyways to Amazon or this program. But it's a way to get basically watches without risk, without paying any money and then waiting to return it. You just get them, try them out, and then you can return them if you don't like them. And I can see directly why I don't like this watch. The chronograph dial is pretty messed up. Let me take first this out. First of all, the dial has a carbon pattern. I have no idea if this is real carbon or not, but I don't think it's real carbon. There is a plastic on the crystal. Here we go. We take the plastic off. Mesh bracelet. Here is the bearing 199 18842 382. Stainless steel case. Oh, it has a sapphire crystal. You have a chronograph, 3 Atmos, 3 years limited warranty, and with this mesh bracelet. Okay, 3 years warranty. That's pretty good. So backside, the watch is so shiny. You can see sapphire. The reference number that it's 3 Atmos. So let's measure the watch. The watch is 42 in diameter, like 50, thickness 12.75. So almost same dimensions as also the Festina that I tried out, and as well the Citizen. So if you can see, if you put this inside, so as you can see, that's the sub-seconds. So it's 1/10 of a second, which is quite cool. And then you have here the seconds. If you stop this, okay, definitely that's not 15 seconds. Oh, you can see that directly that the movement isn't correctly regulated. It comes back to the 2 and it doesn't come back to the 0. That's a shame. That's a shame. That's definitely a shame. I do like the design. I'll show it to you guys on my wrist. But other than that, that's a defective watch in my eyes. And if you ever get a watch and open it and it does the same thing that you see here, send it back. That's defective. That's a broken movement. That's a broken quartz movement. And I can never even recommend this brand. I just got this brand because it has the black on black chronograph. It did look nice with the 10th of the seconds, but even 10th of a second, we can start both chronograph at the same time, and let's see. Now you have 5 seconds. Now you have 10 seconds, and it's already at 13. So yeah, the 2 seconds plus 1 second or something like that. That's no haptic feeling. That's a shame. That's a shame. If you're from Bering and you see this video, that's what I have. If you have a better product, get in contact and you can send it to me. I can review it again. But as it stands here, I cannot recommend a watch like this. I could definitely put it back in the box and send it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned thing today. Maybe you were searching for this brand or this watch on Amazon and you wanted to buy it. I would definitely not recommend you to buy this one. Check out my channel. You will have a lot of options in that segment. I've been doing multiple videos on under 150 euros watches, so check that out. Maybe I'll do a playlist if you're interested. Write in the comment section if you're interested to make a playlist out of that. I will create one. Anyways, thank you again. Hopefully see you in the next one, and take care. Bye bye.